Hey guys, Andy with Tech Influence here, excited to go over this 11-in-1 accessory kit here for your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. With the release of the newest one, this has become one of the best pocket camera vlogging cameras here in the market. Having accessories like your action mounts, a retractable light, a tripod, a suction, and even a mount for your chest, this Pocket 3 Creator Essentials kit is something that I highly recommend, including the little pouch that it comes with to be able to house and hold Osmo Pocket 3. With that said, this creator kit was provided to me complimentary and this video is sponsored. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Let's unbox this, demonstrate it, and show you what you get yourself into. Opening up is pretty straightforward here. Everything is fit inside of this really nice case that is going to be large enough to fit obviously your device, but even all of your other accessories. You can see that it's got this textured feel here with nice zippers that are going to give you resistance to the elements and scratch protection. It's got a nice little strap here if you wanted to strap it to your backpack, and it's nice and cushioned on the inside here to protect your important investment. On the inside here, you can see that you've got microfiber lining that's going to be nice, and then all of the accessories here that fit nicely on the inside, and including extra space to place any of your SD cards or adapters, you name it. In the bag, you can see all 11 items here, including this retractable light. You've also got this heavy mount here you can set on a desk. That's magnetic. You can go ahead and mount to a 1/4-20. It comes with a screen protector that I've already attached. You've also got this mount here for your chest that cradles it. You even have a backpack mount, tripod, as well as the mount here for the backpack mount to clip on in there. The cradle is easy to be able to place on there. It's going to fit over the shutter button and then act as a mount for you to be able to place it here on the chest. On the backpack mount, if you want the light on there, it's going to grip around the gimbal here. It's not going to add too much of a payload to your device. And when we go ahead and turn it on, we can flip it here. The light is going to be able to be nice here to add. You can go ahead and press the power button to adjust it from cooler to warm light. This is warm light. It adjusts the brightness as well. Here is your neutral, and it can get very bright as well, making it really nice to be able to make content in your direction. You can go ahead and when it closes up, you can fold it into place and still place it into your bag if you want. You can use the 1/4-20 mount here for the magnet if you want. We can place it into the cradle, and then if you wanted to attach this to a mirror, a metal bar, having this outside, you can get that talking at camera option here and be able to adjust this accordingly, making this a great companion here to be able to add to your daily carry. With that said, this 11-in-1 kit, it makes it easy to be able to integrate into your lifestyle, and it looks really great and be able to have there. You've got a cradle, you've got a magnet, you've got backpack mount, you even have a tripod if that's something you're interested in. With that said, this was provided to me complimentary and this video is sponsored. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.